Hello everyone. This video will help you get started. If you would like to know a bit more about me, please watch my introduction video in the very first module. This course investigates the social constructions of gender and how they are reflected in music. You will be introduced to music analysis terms along with the tenets of intersectionality that will provide you with vocabulary for music theory and social theory to better equip you to analyze and discuss the various course topics. You will also utilize musical and sociological analysis to critique live performances and will develop a research thesis centering on issues of music and gender and write a position paper. Many of you may already be familiar with As You Learn, but many of you may not. After you log into the site, you will see the modules for the course, the blocks to the right, and the navigation drawer to the left. If you cannot see the navigation drawer, click the hamburger in the top left corner. The first document for you to view is the syllabus. Which includes the learning objectives and requirements for the course, and also includes information about university resources and expectations along with directions on accessing the materials for the class. The calendar and upcoming events block will help you manage your time and meet assignment deadlines. Assignment descriptions and due dates and times will all be here. In order to get a sense of the flow of the course, I have provided a course map, which gives you a general idea of when we are covering particular modules and when certain things are due. As we move through each module, you will see there is a list of learning objectives and agenda for that module, followed by listing examples. The assignments and forums are located beneath them. I will add a video instruction to each module as we go that will comment on what we have done so far, how it connects to the material in the upcoming module, and any other interesting issues that have surfaced during the course. In the navigation drawer, you can click on the gradebook to view your grades and see any feedback I have given you. We will spend the first few days getting to know each other and discussing music about which you are already passionate. We will be developing an online academic community as we work through this course. Interactions with me and with other students should be respectful, well-crafted, and to the point. Please proofread all of your written responses and consider your video responses very carefully before posting. After you have explored the As You Learn site, please move on to the Getting Musically Acquainted module, and let's get started analyzing our identities and the ways in which music reflects them. I'll see you online.